What's up everybody, my name is Keegan with Sandpiper, and today we're going to be taking you through our 388 BHRD. So one of my favorite features about our luxury fifth wheels is going to be the drop frame storage. So you get a huge amount of pass-through storage down here, which is really nice, especially when you're going on a long vacation or an extended trip. Obviously, if you're like me, you like to overpack. And then another really cool feature that we do on our luxury fifth wheels is going to be this slide out LP tank. So this makes it really convenient for you when you need to change stuff over or refill. So to finish up the exterior, all of our luxury fifth wheels are going to come on 7,000 pound axles with Goodyear tire standard. One thing we just started to do this year is to put the TST tire pressure monitoring system in. So this will actually give your tires a complete reading while you're going down the highway. It's a really cool feature. It's going to prevent against blowouts, so we're really excited about that. All of our luxury fifth wheels will have standard 6-point hydraulic auto leveling, so that's an awesome feature. And then lastly, our 388 BHRD and 391 will offer this luxurious storage in the back. So we designed this where you can fit hopefully 2 kayaks and some other stuff, so that way you can take just about anything you need to a campground. So like all luxury Sandpipers, the 388 BHRD will come standard with the 22 cubic foot LG reefer. It will come standard with the 3.7 cubic foot Insignia freestanding range. We have a beautiful entertainment system over here with the fireplace with your speaker system and 50-inch TV. And then lastly, almost all of the drawers and doors in your coach will be soft close. So that will help with the longevity of your cabinetry. And it's also nice because you won't smash your fingers inside. So as you can see looking around me, the rear room in our 388 offers a ton of room for the little ones to sleep. We've got a little entertainment system for them back here as well, and they also have their own half bathroom. So the luxury Sandpipers will have a porcelain foot flush toilet. They will also have the nice walk-in shower with a seat, and they'll also have an undermounted sink that's pretty easy to keep clean. The main bedroom in the 388 BHRD will offer a queen bed. It will also offer washer and dryer prep in the closet and this beautiful walk-in closet with a rack for all of your wardrobe needs. Once again, my name is Keegan with Sandpiper. I wanted to thank you guys for watching the video. If you have any questions or want to learn anything more about our products, check out the website at forestriverinc.com/sandpiper.